how to report a post on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can report a post on Instagram. And so how do you do so? It is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Instagram account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will be brought to the page where you can see many posts. All right, you can see so many posts. Then the next step is to select the post that you would like to report. And so once you can find the post, move to the top right corner of the post. It could be a picture, it could be a video. And then after clicking on the three um dots, some options will be displayed, such as add to favorite, unfollow, manage captions while you're seeing this post, hide about this account, report. Okay, so click on the report option. And so after clicking on report, you'll see a prompt asking you why exactly you're trying to report this particular video. So select your reason. All right, choose the reason you're selecting the post, you're reporting the post, and then you may be prompted to provide additional details about the content. Then Instagram would confirm that it has received your report, and something will be done about it if the report is found to be true. So this is how you can report a post on Instagram. Thank you for watching and have a good day.